Hey guys, an update on energy fields. Yeah, I'm toying a little bit with the chart and the count because let me go back to what we had. So you know that I was looking to finish this fifth wave here inside this fifth, inside this wave 3, and then now do a wave 4 and a wave 5. Yes, this can still be possible. Okay, I'm gonna adjust these fibs here to the high. If we now go down, we can look at these fibs for indeed this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna remove everything else from this micro, okay? But keep in mind where these fibs are coming, where this fib is coming from. Okay, what the reason is why we already have it. It's because this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move done. We have met the target fibs for this wave 3, the minimum target fibs for this wave 3. So we could label it indeed as a 1, 2, 3 complete, and now a wave 4 might follow. Now, with today, there comes a complication for this scenario, and that is volume. Volume is pumping like crazy, okay? And yeah, here we did top on like the highest volume, but often, look here, for example, you have increasing volume. Often it goes, okay? Often you're, even here, look, like you have your highest volume here, then you keep grinding up a little bit more. If I go to this move here, increasing volume here, but then you keep grinding up. Here I'm not going to count it because it's like in a move down. And even here maybe we have had this highest volume, and then yeah, we made a little bit more of some wicks to the upside. Okay, so with that and with just me looking often at charts, if you want to call it experience, you can call it experience, but I don't think this is gonna top here yet. It might. That's why we have these fibs here, okay? But it also might not. But what then? That's why I was looking at from this low. If you want to do this, if you want to do this fifth wave, we want to see a 5 wave move. But as you can see here in your wave 1, we have a 3 wave move. Okay, yeah, you can label it as a 5 wave move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as well, but you can also label it as a 3 wave move. Now, if we do that, I would want to label this third wave as a 3 wave move as well. I'm gonna zoom in to give you a better understanding. So ABC, okay? ABC. A 3, 3, 5. You want in your C wave to see a 5 wave of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 potentially here. But if we now implicate that to here in our third wave, this could have been a first ABC and then a larger ABC, okay? One, two, three, or like ABC, then here A, B, somehow a C wave. It's really the micro. You can count this as an ABC like this, maybe better even. And then your C wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this could have been an ABC in itself in a larger ABC, okay? I know it's sounding like I'm high or something, but I'm going to give you an example, and we're going to go to SoFi quickly to show you what I mean. So look here, we have a much more clear 3 wave move in wave 1. Then wave 2, I label it bottomed here, okay? Then from there, because we had this 3 wave move in wave 1, I'm labeling the third wave as well as a 3 wave move. And then you can see I did work on a 5-3-5 here though. Inside your wave A, you have a 5 wave move, then your B wave, then working on a 5 wave move still, or maybe already finished if you put it like this. SoFi has been stuck a little bit for the past 4 months. If you watch my SoFi videos, you know I'm getting a little bit not angry, but like it's pissing me off. But if you now try to implement this on energy fields, I'm gonna look at it again because I'm still tripping about it. But I think I'm gonna label this ABC, okay? And then a larger ABC inside this wave 3. I hope you can follow. But don't blame me, blame the chart. I'm doing this because it's just pumping. I wanted to see a little bit of a wick, do that fifth wave, and then start the correction, but this is really strong. S&P is also, it might even close the day green. That's super bullish. Like, not super bullish, maybe super strong is the better word. But like this then, if it makes sense to you, okay? We want to work on an ABC inside wave 3. This would allow us to, yeah, give a target box for this red C wave. If I take it to this high, and then A, B, C here to give a little bit of a longer range for this B wave. If we take it from here, it's a little bit too short. Then we have this box here for wave C. And I'm also doing this because, look, if we take the 1-2 setup here for wave 3, we're already way past the 786 as well. So then I'd rather look at something else because, again, this might still play out a little bit longer. This might just grind for a few more days. And I have no box left. Like, yeah, I can add here the 2 FIB, the 2.5 FIB, yes. But I think with also looking at the internal structure here, it makes a little bit more sense to look at it like this. Unless it's gonna now troll me and just dip after this video is done. But yeah, if you do it like this, and if I zoom in, this might have been an ABC again in your subdegree A, B, and maybe now then a C wave, okay? And yeah, we want to see a 5 wave move, 1, 2, maybe now a third wave that might still continue, and then 4, 5 to get to this box. And then all we are going to do is just adjust this box for wave 4 because this count stays the same. This 3, 4, 5, it stays the same. I'm just, yeah, looking at what the micro is exactly. So to put it simple, if we go down now, this is the box that we need. This is from this high. If we go up, these are levels that we can watch where we could top. And then all we have to do is adjust this box here, okay, to wherever we find a top. But like this, I think we have an excuse and a box that we can draw here, which might give us an indication, look, this is where we can potentially top. Uranium spot price did not update us yet, but it might be tonight. Then we will see it in a video of tomorrow. I want to quickly check one more thing here. Yeah, sorry, I'm quiet, but I'm just trying to, yeah, just look at if this is possible, like this internal structure. But I'm gonna go with it, whether you like it or not. It all is ultimately the same, like I said. For now, it's here. If we go higher, I adjust it, but ultimately we will get this wave 4, and then we will get one more push to the upside, I think. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.